Hey, Malin. How old are you today, sweetie?
8.
Get a
picture of it!
Hold your fingers up.
That's our Caitlin.
Hold your fingers up.
Caitlin, look at me. Caitlin, look at me.
I just put it on my nose like a dot. I want to see it.
Malin,
Stop putting it on your face.
happy birthday.
Not be more serious.
How old are you now? Can you say?
8.
Okay.
Okay. Stop putting it on your face.
So did Grace.
Okay.
This is going on YouTube just so you know.
It is. It is. It's going to.